Alright, tank view. Alright, let's do this. Yep. Hopefully I have the tank view. It's totally a piece of junk. These toilets stink. I sure hate these, they stink. Yeah, the chunk, these stink too. Alright, here we go. Alright, I know it's from 2011. It says right here, 2011. Wait, June 25th. That 6 looks like an 8. It's not an 8, it's a 6. Oh, right here too. 2011, 6/24. Alright. Alright. Screw you. Alright. Thank you. Alright. No, just kidding. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Alright, let's put the tank lid back on. There, finally. Alright, let's pause video camera. Yep. See you later. Alright.
Slurring no more words. Slurring no more words. Slurring no more